Everybody, my name is Alan and thank you for clicking on this video. This is my first video and hopefully the first of many. I will be demonstrating a social media application through this video. Overall, I'm trying to produce as many different various prototypes to demonstrate my skills. I recently graduated the University of Central Florida as a UX designer. And I'm trying to gain some experience, so feel free to like and subscribe and leave some comments or feedback. And if you're looking to hire, you're welcome to message me as well, and we can have a conversation in that regard. Aside from that, let's go ahead and begin this demonstration. So, as you see in front of me, this is the thumbnail. So, this is the cover of the Figma file. I have the page is split into three sections on the left side here. So you see the cover, prototype, and assets. Well, I'll go ahead and begin with assets. Okay, so as you can see, I have it split into three sections: components, assets, and icons. Okay, we'll begin with icons. So I use various icons here through this design, but you can see some of them are wrapped in this purple field, which is basically a component. Um, it's pretty much just variations of the same icon, but as you can tell, it's slightly adjusted. In this project, I'll be using a lot of motion design. Thank you to Andre and Daniel for providing the course on Udemy. I highly suggest you guys check them out. The course is called Motion Design with Figma Application Animations, Motion Graphics, UX/UI. Feel free to check them out. And I also watched a Figma course on the Figma website, which also provided some of the assets, so you'll be able to find some of the resources there as well. And in the assets section, I have things split into a couple different categories, such as buttons, input, is the like feature for you'll see later on, tabs, and so on and so forth. The component section is just pretty much major components where all the assets are put together to build something. So you'll recognize these through the project. Let's go ahead and begin the prototype. Okay, so I have two openings, but I prefer the opening of the first one, so we'll begin with that. As you can see, this is pretty much how um, the project goes through the flow. So you have the opening, the flow, the home flow, search flow, profile flow, message flow, and then here you can get into the settings and notification through each of these. All right, so let's go ahead and begin. So I'll start with the opening one. Okay, so nice little animation. Again, I learned all these tricks from Daniel and Andre on Udemy. So again, feel free to check them out. So we'll go ahead and log in. Okay, so this is the login section. You can just click this so you can remember, sign in, and now this is the home page. So as you can see, you have your public feed and all these different posts. You can actually even go ahead and like the post, bookmark it, and even leave a comment. And if you click here, you see the number goes up. You probably recognize this component from the components page from previously. You can leave a comment, and then here, when you click send, it does a little lift off. All right, so let's go ahead and see one of these posts. So Valerie right here. So if you click on her name, you'll go to her profile, and here you can see her followers, following, location. You can message her if you like and send a message just like that. You can follow her or unfollow her. Here you have the tags, which the user has the ability to customize based on the type of post they want to display. So she's a UCF Knight, as you can see, a traveler, biochemist, etc. And you see all these posts here that she's posted. Okay, on the top left, we can return. And now let's go ahead and click on the search icon. So you see the little animation there. Okay, so it starts with trending. So these are the popular posts. You can even search the post as well. So if you're looking for something particular, just type it in here. And as you can see, everything uses tags. So whenever you're creating an image, just remember to add the tag so you can search for it. Okay, you have all these different categories that you can scroll through. I added a drag animation so you can drag it just like that. Okay, so the first picture is clickable, takes you to a blown up version of it, where here you can see recommended. Click on that, it swaps it out with another image, and then you can even go ahead and like it from here, or you can just go back, and that is the search feature. Now let's go to profile. Okay, and I don't know if you've noticed, but each of these have a little um, animation going on. So just to show off some of the motion design again. Okay, so this is the profile. You have your followers, following, likes. This is where you can customize your tags, and then it's split into three categories: my posts, likes, and bookmarks. Where right now we're on my posts, as you can see. You can even leave comments in your own posts, or you can just like them if you want. Just similarly to Instagram, you can even bookmark your own posts if you really wanted to. Okay, and then likes is pretty much everything you liked. It's pretty straightforward. Any of the likes you leave will appear right here. And then bookmarks, same thing. As you can see, these are all bookmarked by yourself, from yourself. All right, next we go to messages. Okay, and I don't know if you caught that here, but I'll go back just to show you. But the first message appears as a demonstrating how it would appear as a new message. So let's just go back and show you what that looks like right here at the top. Yep, so when you get a new message, that's how it looks like. And if you want to delete messages, you click edit at the top right, and then you select however many messages you want to delete. Let's say you just want to delete the top one, you click on the delete icon at the top right here, and it disappears, just like that. All right, so let's go ahead and go back to the home page. Right now, we're going to show you notification and settings. So we'll begin with notification. Click that, brings a drop down just like that where you can see all the people who've messaged you, liked you, or left a comment, etc. Click cancel to exit that. And then to the right of that, you have settings. Here, you could pretty much customize your account. You can log out, request help, etc. And then cancel to exit out of that. And that pretty much is the end of the prototype. I do appreciate the time looking through the video. Um, Again, I have recently graduated UCF, so if you're interested in looking for work or hiring somebody with UX UI experience or a little bit of development experience, feel free to reach out. Um, and if you have any constructive feedback, I am still pretty new, so I'm always willing to learn any if you have any advice. So thank you for your time.